Namaste bachcho. Today we will discuss the next topic of chapter solution, that is ideal and non-ideal solution. First of all, what are ideal solutions and what are non-ideal solutions? The solutions which obey Raoult's law are known as ideal solutions. What is the condition for being an ideal solution? We will prepare an ideal solution by two components, A and B. This is A and this is B. We will mix both of them and prepare a new solution AB, in which new interaction between the particle of A and B generated. Now, when we see that a new solution is formed in which the interaction between the particle of A and B is nearly same as in AA particles and B particles, means all these interaction is nearly same, then this solution is known as ideal solution. And the two conditions are also there. Delta H mix is equal to 0. It means enthalpy change is equal to 0. Heat neither absorbed nor evolved. Next, delta V mix is also 0. No change in volume. Volume remain same. Example, if we will take normal heptane and normal hexane. When we will mix both of them, then we get a ideal solution which obey Raoult's law, and the interaction between the new solution is same as the interaction between its component particles. Okay. Now, non-ideal solutions. The solutions which does not obey Raoult's law are known as non-ideal solution. What is Raoult's law? We have already discussed, and the statement is PA naught XA. If we will take a single component PA, then the vapor pressure is equal to vapor pressure of in pure state and its mole fraction in the solution. This solution may show two behaviors. What are these two? Either they show positive deviation or negative deviation. What is positive deviation and what is negative deviation? Positive deviation means the vapor pressure is more as compared to expected. ज़्यादा निकलेगा उसका वेपर प्रेशर. एंड नेगेटिव डेविएशन मीन्स लेस वेपर प्रेशर as expected in this solution. Now we will again consider an example. A solution is AB solution, a solution which is formed by mixing A and B, and the new interaction is AB. This interaction, AB interaction, is weaker as compared to AA interaction and BB interaction. This interaction is weaker. This interaction is weaker means they get easily vaporized and create more vapor pressure. More vapor pressure means positive deviation. In this case, again, we make a solution by two components A, B. This interaction now, A-B interaction, is stronger as compared to AA and ABB. AB interaction is stronger, means does not vaporize easily, means create less vapor pressure. Less vapor pressure means negative deviation. So, non-ideal solution may have positive deviation or negative deviation. Positive deviation means more vapor pressure. Negative deviation means less vapor pressure. And the new interaction is weaker in positive deviation and stronger in negative deviation. That's all for today. Thank you.